What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a second account on Tango app. Simply click your Tango profile on the upper left hand side, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll have logins, and you can simply add account. Once you tap on that, you'll find your first profile. You can simply click add account and you can have the option to sign in with a Gmail account, or you can do it with your phone number. Let's say I'm going to choose Gmail. I'm going to tap on that, and here you can see I have other Gmail accounts. I can tap on a separate email address, and here you will see that it start to load and it's going to sign me into a different Tango account. And you just need to go ahead and allow it a moment to actually load up. But that's it guys, I now have a separate account for Tango on my phone. So if I click the profile on the upper left hand side, you can see that this is a total different account. And if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, I'll have the option to switch account, and I can switch between those two accounts as I wish. And that's it. Very easy and very simple guys. That's how to go ahead and add a second account and how to switch between accounts on Tango.